general said it saved this Pueblo of San Diego.
Right.
And very historical. Then they had the Bandito.
We're all ready to
still there, I think.
get in trouble.
Left.
What's this thing?
This is a
Some lifting strap. There's some missing lifting straps. I'll put them over here with the other ones.
It's Studio House, but I think they took that all apart. And they had a place there called El
Broom,
Bar.
called real broom. That's real wood broom. We'll hide that right here. Nobody will see that.
Larger hotel. They had a bigger piece of land. They condemned it. Everything was wrong with that building. The Adobe, it had
Valve seats. Valve seats?
everything was wrong with that building.
Nope. At some point.
Bill wanted to have his building back.
What else
He
we
his
got?
land back.
One over here.
And
Those just hang over here in
they
the way.
used eminent domain to take it over. And well, on all of them, they used eminent domain,
That'll work.
which should be a real
Pretty good by eye level.
have to be really careful when you're shooting that. Anyway,
Perfection. My hammer.
horrible building.
Right there.
Couldn't stand up, that was a complete wreck and had to be condemned, it's still there.
This used to sit right here.
As it was when they took it over, they've done nothing to fix it.
Further.
Maybe more modern times.
Yeah, that goes over there more. This comes out this way more.
They made it the headquarters for the state
So
park.
here's the rub mark.
Oh, but when he owned it,
So we know this thing is this way quite a bit more. Right there.
they used
So this has to go that way because it's rubbing on the machine over here. So it just sticks out in the aisle over there.
my mom used to have a penny gum run.
There, now I got room for all the tools that it belongs.
There's the motel, and
Perfect.
then there's a couple of restaurants.
We can make it like this, you know.
that
Which way you like better? This way or this way?
Spanish
That way.
grant holders.
This way?
So they're original.
Space.
And so they had gum machines there.
Of course, you got a nice dirty rag. Gotta have that.
Yeah,
Can't be correct without a rag laying around.
so she had, she
Yeah,
knew the
right
owners
there.
of these places.
I think this is gonna turn into a workbench. You got a piece of wood cut on top of here.
Yeah.
Turn that into a workbench.
And,
Cause you have to have a place to put all this kind of junk someplace.
and they had a really nice house of
Because this, we don't have access to very well anymore.
Had been for 2 or 3 generations.
It's hidden.
And again,
All right.
it was a fire trap.
I think we got a good
And
start on
then
the head
they
machine.
changed it, they broke it into 2
So now
different
this, we're
buildings
gonna have to rewire to make it work again.
and put in a restaurant
there
just
it
like
is.
the Casablanca, gave it a different name. Now one of their cronies. It's called corruption.
So we're going to pull this thing out and rewire it.
I mean, nothing.
Somebody
Deny it.
crushed the
So
cord.
it was all run by Democrats.
Don't know who that was.
It was run by Democrats. Horrible. They would say the San Diego's Republican war. They had history.
These are not the missing calipers.
No.
I think Harley
But they are an extra
48
set.
was Republican. I think he was the last one. And that history is all
This didn't make it to the mountains on the last load.
out of Sacramento. Governor Warren, I think. was
There's
governor.
a crap here.
He went on to become the Chief Justice of the United States. God, what he did to the U.S. Supreme Court. Oh,
Official tell for this
couldn't
machine.
believe it. He was Supreme Court Justice when Kennedy was assassinated.
I think we got some of that plug we needed for over here. Why didn't we use that earlier?
Nowadays, you can't trust the court.
We'll put this right over here so we'll find it.
You could trust the municipal courts back then.
What do we got back here?
Once you got into the higher courts, it was all fixed.
More rags.
It's so obvious.
Now, if this lands on your foot, it will
And
hurt.
they didn't teach you in school about the court system. They teach you other stuff. They never talked about the courts. They just said you're appointed judges for life. That's all they told you. But they didn't tell you what those judges could do. They had
You realize all that's
a lot
on
of
video.
powers. They never taught.
Do now.
Storytelling time. Mom.
Yeah.
It's so disappointing. But I look at
They wanted more
Born
content.
Free.
Yeah, you got it.
I fought for my freedom against the Japs. I was trained to snipe Japs at the age of 3.
Yeah, you're on video, Mom.
And the Japs complained that they got moved to the desert. Well, if any of them crossed my yard,
She can't hear
if they
anyway.
met the river when they made it, they were dead. No questions asked. That's the way it was.
All All right.
That's what
Where's the over-center
I was taught that. I was trained. Big difference.
Right about there.
The only thing we
It
had
starts
to
going
be
toward
sure
my head.
we used to have
It'll
to
probably
really
wind up on top of me.
community. San Diego was a small
Oh,
city.
that's where it goes over there. It's into there.
There's only 40,000 people in San Diego. Some were Chinese.
This was the
A
arc.
big percentage. So you had to be sure not to
See, that one
shoot
got
China.
cut.
You had to shoot
when it was
the
over
shot.
here.
I'd make sure that
See, this one's been crushed over here before, but I got a new spot. When I did it, I did a good job. I didn't screw around when I did it.
Oh, the Chinese are good people.
So this is going to have to
They're
go
not like the ones in China.
up into this motor up under here.
These were American China.
So we're going to have to splice this into this motor.
They're real business people.
Now this one here is okay, but see how nice it is?
Real fun to be around.
This one's fine. That's perfect.
They'd always operate out of the basement.
So this takes 2 plugs to plug this machine in.
They weren't white.
So this one here,
Go underground, you know about stuff like that.
we're going to have to put this over here.
So they always operate out of basements. Boy, the stuff they had in their basement.
Well, it looks like it ties in over here. So we only need a little bit of this cord.
Yeah, it's great.
But this, we're still going to splice into here. Because that goes up to the motor.
It all changed. All changed.
So this one goes where? Yeah, see that one goes right to that spot there.
That, people got
See, that's how your light goes, see?
They didn't know they were taught the difference.
You're on the wrong
In
side.
San Diego, we were flooded by, I was called corner.
Now how do we know which side it goes on?
We were in the Middle West, Midwest.
Is this color coordinated?
Everybody does the whole, oh, the immigrants built our country. No, they destroyed our country.
Yep.
They didn't build it.
Aiming
They
for you.
destroyed it.
I'm aiming for you there.
No, the only ones that helped build it was people from
We're getting it.
their culture, the Negro.
We're getting it. We're getting it.
Their home. They were brought here. They had no choice.
There.
But this was their
Okay,
home.
that might be hot.
And, you know,
This is no longer hot because it's broken.
unfortunately, we're kept separated, which was a real disaster. We wouldn't have
This
had our
appears to be a zip tie up under there.
1920s. If you look at the old movies, the old silent films,
All right.
the Indians,
We'll have to find some stuff to do this, so we'll be back.
Yeah.